What's up, everybody? This is just a quick tip on modifying your rotary and drive punches so you can punch holes more efficiently. So let's get to it. A lot of tools you pick up brand new are going to be covered in some kind of anti-rust coating, like you can see here with this drive punch, which is not exactly the most useful thing when it comes to punching holes. Especially on thicker leather, it wants to cling to the edges, and you can see here it's hard pulling the drive punch out. So the most obvious thing to do is to remove that protective coating. Now, I do this with a drill. I just lock my drive punch into the chuck, and then I use some various grits of sandpaper to start removing the coating and polish it up. It really doesn't take that long to do. I just go through maybe 2 or 3 different grits of sandpaper, and then I finish it off on the strop with jeweler's rouge to really get a fine polish on it. There's a lot of tools that can be improved this way through polishing. Even if you think you've got something that's sharp and can cut through your material really easily, it can almost always be sharper. I did a video recently on making a brand new utility blade sharper, and people seem to really like that. So this is another example of using your rouge, sandpaper, etc. to make your cutting tool more efficient. Well, there you have it, everybody. You just have to polish up your drive punch and it will cut through your material a lot easier. You can apply that principle to anything that cuts, really. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it informative. And until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.